Hello friends, today our topic is operator precedence and associativity in C programming. Operator precedence and associativity means when we evaluate expressions, so what are the rules to evaluate expressions? It means which operator evaluates first. In expression there are number of operators. The operator, by using this operator precedence and associativity rule, we can define which operator evaluates first, and or we can say what is the order to evaluate the operators in the expression. Clear? In C programming, this is the precedence and associativity table. The precedence is from top to bottom. It means these operators have highest precedence. This is bracket or parenthesis. Then square brackets. Square brackets is for using array subscripts. This is dot operator. This is arrow operator. And this is the postfix increment. This is postfix decrement. Then prefix increment, prefix decrement, plus minus. These are the unary plus minus. Unary. This is logical not. This is complement, size of. Then multiply, divide and remainder. These three have same precedence. Then plus minus. Then bitwise, left shift, right shift, relational, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Then equal operators, equal, not equal. Then this is bitwise and, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. This is logical AND, logical OR. This is ternary conditional operator. Then assignment operator, and the assignment operator with arithmetic, logical and relational operators, and then comma. So this is the precedence matrix or precedence table from top to bottom. Clear? When the same precedence operators are available in the expression, then to select one of the operator from the same precedence, then we use the associativity. Clear? The associativity of this group is from left to right. This is this group plus plus, minus minus, unary plus, unary minus, size of, logical not, complement. This is right to left. Remember, the associativity of this group is right to left. Then left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Logical bitwise and left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. This conditional is right to left. Assignment right to left, and comma is left to right. Clear? Right to left associativities for unary. Okay. Then ternary and assignment. These group having right to left associativity and remaining left to right. Clear? So this is the precedence and associativity table. Uh, Remember this table when we evaluate the expressions. Okay. Now we will explain this complete by using some examples. Okay. To explain this operator precedence and associativity, we will consider some examples. So first we take this example. Suppose the expression is 2 plus 3 into 5 divide 5 minus 2. Okay, consider this simple expression. Now we want to evaluate this expression. How to evaluate it? We know from precedence table the precedence of this multiplication and division is higher than plus and minus. Okay, the precedence of this multiplication division is higher than plus and minus. So first evaluate these and then plus minus. Clear? And out of these, the two operators, multiplication and division, these have same precedence. So then we check, then we apply associativity. The associativity of arithmetic binary operator is left to right. So it means this is the first operator is this one. It means first we have to evaluate this one. So what we will get? This is we will get 2 plus 5 3s are 15 divide 5 minus 2. Here. Then second is this one. So we will get 2 plus 15 by 5 3 minus 2. Now then we will get this one. 2 plus 3 5 minus 2. Then this one. So finally we get the 5 minus 2 3. So 3 is the answer. This is the method to evaluate expressions. Okay. Now consider another example. Suppose I write this 2 plus 3 into 5 divide 5 minus 2 minus plus 2 greater than 3. And suppose I write this x equal to this one. This is the expression. Okay. And our problem is what? What is the value of x after this expression? Okay. After evaluation of this expression, find the value of x. So first precedence is this one. We will get 2 plus 15 divide 5. Oh, sorry. First is for this increment. This is pre-increment operator. So first one is this. This is the first. This is the first. So we will get what? 2 plus 3 into 5 by 5 minus plus 2 becomes 3 greater than 3. Okay. Now then this one. This is the second. So we will get the 2 plus 5 3s are 15 divide 5 minus 3 greater than 3. Okay. Now this is our next. So we will get what? 2 plus 15 by 5 is 3 minus 3 greater than 3. Then this one. 3 to 5 minus 3 greater than 3. Then this one. 2 greater than 3. Now this one. 2 greater than 3. This is false. False means 0. Relational operator gives true and false values. So 2 greater than 3, this is false, we will have 0. And finally, we will evaluate this one. Assignment, it means this 0 is assigned to x. So what we will get? The x is 0. So value of x at the end of this expression is what? 0. Clear? So this is the way to evaluate expressions using operator precedence and associativity. Isn't it? So consider more and more examples and do practice to evaluate expressions using operator precedence and associativity.